If you need help saying your R blends, that's okay. The first thing I want you to do is to check out the video for the R sound. This video will make sure that you can say one of the sounds in the blend. Then, take a closer look at the word you're having trouble with. Look for the consonant either before or after the R sound. Then, look up the video for that sound and put them together. You got it! So, we're practicing with sentences. Our blend will be the first sound that you hear in one of the words of the sentence. Copy me. She buys organic produce. He is a great actor. I had a good dream. Let's find the treasure on this map. I made a fruit bowl for my snack. They are building a new bridge. Take the trash to the dump. What a wonderful friendship. You can hear the grasshoppers at night. I want whipped cream on my shake. The groundhog didn't see his shadow. The horse is brown. Stop at the traffic light. What a great pitch. I'm using a crutch. Belching is so gross. They have a brick chimney. The horseshoe brought her good luck. Let's practice a few words with our blend in the middle or medial part of one of the words. Repeat after me. She is a member of the equestrian club. I play electric guitar. He is part of the orchestra. You did a great job today. These are really tough. If you have trouble with one of your words, make sure you practice the R sound and the consonant that is either before or after the R sound. If you're still having trouble, that's okay too. I want you to comment down below and tell me what word that you need help with. I'll make sure you have all the resources you need. See you soon. Bye.